30 North Latitude, the golden latitude of human industrial civilization. Hubei Rayat Automobile Co., Limited, 13-hectare intelligent manufacturing base. Among them, Park No. 1 covers 9 hectares and Park No. 2 covers 4 hectares. 500 craftsmen in the industry with an annual engine output of 600 million units, backed by the solid strength certified at the national level, define the evolution rules of special purpose vehicles. From the precise parameters that leap off the paper to the rumble of steel from intelligent production lines, Rayat Automobile forges every special purpose vehicle the world needs. The journey of every steel plate, it begins with millimeter-level engraving by a 10,000-watt laser cutting machine, a cutting precision of 0.1 millimeters. To enable complex components to be formed in one go, lay a perfect foundation for subsequent processes. Under the precise pressure of the 1,600-ton bending machine, the rigid steel plates transform into flexible curves. 15 sets of parameters are automatically calibrated with an error of less than 0.5 degrees. Make every crease withstand mechanical tests. When standardized components enter the welding workshop, robotic arms weave the steel skeleton with a repeat precision of 0.01 millimeters level. 3,000 welding points undergo 100% flaw detection inspection. Ensure every joint is as solid as a rock. When the wisdom of designers meets the experience of craftsmen, standardization thus gains a soul. Full range of universal accessories and modular assembly processes. Let quality be unified, starting from a single screw. Zero tolerance for millimeter-level errors. This is Rayat Ironclad Quality Inspection Rule. We combine manual measurement with instrument calibration. Multi-level quality inspections ensure strict control, all for delivering the most reliable products to customers. Every deployment of Rayat's special purpose vehicles is escorted by both data and craftsmanship. Reach the working height directly and withstand level 7 strong winds stably. Rayat Aerial Work Platform features an intelligent balancing system for automatic leveling. Transform into an aerial guardian for power emergency repairs, the luminous messenger of street lamp maintenance, and even more. A high-altitude craftsman in advertising installation. The brilliant driving force behind urban lighting. Build an aerial safety fortress. One vehicle clears 3 obstacles, saving time and money. The Rayat tow truck makes road problems easily solved. One chip in place. Rayat hook lift garbage truck. Thickened oil cylinder design. Loading capacity increased by 40%. The hook is stable and does not shake. Help cities achieve efficient cleaning. Compression Force Max. Cleaning Force Max. Rayat compression truck reduces garbage volume by 3 times, weaving through the streets and alleys to safeguard the city's breath. 18 heavy-duty millimeter-level micro-operation. Rayat truck-mounted crane for precise hoisting. Zero deformation was tested multiple times. It is a well-deserved major infrastructure equipment. Rayat cleaning and sewage suction truck. It integrates the functions of cleaning and suction. High-pressure water can be used to unclog pipes. The sewage suction is equipped with high-quality pumps and valves. It can quickly clean septic tanks and other contaminants. The water tank and sewage suction tank are independent of each other. Ensure the orderly operation of functions. It is widely applicable to municipal and industrial cleaning scenarios. Shot blasting rust removal uses alloy steel shots to forcefully peel off rust stains. Create a pure base. Electrostatic powder coating is specially made powder through high-voltage electrostatic adsorption, combined with high-temperature curing and nano-baking varnish. The 3-stage paint finish process of Rayat automobiles. Put on the armor of steel that won't corrode for 10 years. Rayat cylinders rely on high-precision CNC processing, intelligent detection, and full process precision manufacturing. Set a performance benchmark with millimeter-level precision. Outstanding quality empowers all industries, from polar glaciers to equatorial rifts. Rayat lights up the world map with a steel matrix. No matter what you need, the Environmental Sanitation Series. It is still a special vehicle for the Construction Machinery Series. Our steel spectrum has always been in harmony with the pulse of global engineering.